Cordless vacuum cleaners, also known as stick vacuums, free you from the frustrating faff of cords. They're lightweight, easy on the back, and run on rechargeable batteries, meaning no more irksome plugging and unplugging as you move around the house. Features vary between models. Some have far more power than others, better attachments, and crucially, longer battery life. Before you buy, consider these top 5 cordless vacuums. 5. Dyson V11 Animal Plus. The Dyson V11 Animal is a cordless stick or handheld vacuum. It has a great overall performance on most surface types, from bare floors to high pile carpets. If you use it as a handheld vacuum with the lowest power setting, the battery provides over an hour of continuous use. Great if you're vacuuming your car or another far-off place. However, it feels heavy in your hand when you use it as a stick vacuum. It's made of plastic that doesn't feel extremely sturdy and its dirt compartment is on the small side. Fortunately, it incurs virtually no recurring costs and is fairly easy to maintain. The Dyson V11 Animal's build quality is just okay. The design looks nice, but aside from the wand, which is made of lightweight metal, it's almost entirely made of plastic that doesn't feel extremely sturdy. The see-through plastic parts feel particularly fragile, like they could break if dropped or knocked against something hard. On the upside, the controls are easily accessible on top of the vacuum. 4. Rowenta RH9571WO Air Force Flex 760. The Rowenta Air Force Flex 760 Total Clean has a powerful battery, so you can vacuum for 75 minutes at the lowest setting. This is convenient because it allows you to clean the entire house in one cleaning session. The dust collector is also well prepared for big cleaning because it can hold 0.8 liters of dust and dirt before you need to empty it above the container. While you vacuum, the lighting switches on so you won't overlook any breadcrumbs. Vacuuming under couches and cabinets is easy because you can bend the stick vacuum. Do you have a high pile carpet with dust hiding in it? Use the turbo mode. On top of that, you can bring in the accessories to make all corners and pieces of furniture dust-free. The Rowenta Air Force Flex 760 is a format stick vacuum stick. This means that the engine block, the filtration system, and the recovery tank are placed near the user's wrist. In theory, this particular configuration, popularized by Dyson, facilitates the handling of the device since it requires less muscular effort to orient it in all directions. Stick vacuums are particularly practical for vacuuming difficult places, like corners of the ceiling where the spiders will weave their webs or high shelves. 3. The Bosch BCH65ALL Athlete. The Athlete is Bosch's first serious cordless upright vacuum cleaner, and it promises to replace corded models in all but the largest of homes. Powered by a durable 25-volt lithium-ion battery, the Athlete delivers high suction power and plenty of runtime to whiz around several rooms on a single charge. Charging is by a wall socket adapter with a flying head that plugs into the cleaner just below the handle. Bright blue LED segments illuminate to indicate the state of the charge. It has 3 power levels so you can balance suction power against runtime. On the lowest power setting, Bosch claims up to 1 hour's cleaning. The cordless design and compact sizes make the Athlete extremely versatile and easy to move around, particularly as it weighs in at a featherweight 3.3 kilograms with a floor head attached. 2. The Vorwerk Cobalt VB100. Many cordless vacuums are Dyson clones, but Vorwerk is clearly doing its own thing. The Cobalt VB100 is a cordless upright which makes light work of cleaning your floors. The brush section at the bottom is detachable, which turns the rest of the vacuum into a slightly unwieldy handheld, but at least provides versatility for times when you need to clean other surfaces. The VB100 is a 2-motor model. This simply means the EBB100 brush attachment has its own powered motor that's separate from the motor in the VB100, which does the suction. You have a choice of 3 suction levels, which are toggled by pressing the button below the main power button, and 2 brush speeds, which are toggled by a foot switch on the back edge of the brush part. Hold the switch down for a few seconds and the brushes stop to allow you to clean long pile rugs. If anything does get tangled in the brushes, they will stop automatically, which is handy. 1. Miele Triflex HX1 Pro. The Miele Triflex HX1 is a cordless vacuum with a unique 3-in-1 design. You can switch between using it as an upright, stick, or a compact cordless vacuum quickly and easily, courtesy of its intuitive construction. It performs superbly well on bare floors and clears an impressive amount of debris on low and high pile carpet. It's also easy to maintain and incurs very few recurring costs. Unfortunately, it has a small dirt compartment that needs frequent emptying. Otherwise, if you're looking for a feature-packed, highly versatile cordless vacuum, this is a great option. Which one of them would you like to buy? Thanks for watching.